Islet transplantation is emerging as a promising treatment to reverse type 1 diabetes. From the moment the pancreas is procured, our equipment provides the technological support necessary to obtain a successful islet preparation. The Biorep organ preservation container is especially designed to transport the pancreas from the procurement site to an islet isolation facility. It prolongs islet viability as it rotates the organ in a 2-layer oxygen-saturated mixture. As soon as the pancreas is received, it is rinsed and disinfected in a series of solutions. The organ is then dissected to remove any excess tissue, including fat or neighboring organs, and prepared for cannulation. Cannulas are inserted in the main duct of the pancreatic tail and the pancreatic head for perfusion. The perfusion apparatus is specifically designed to work in conjunction with the perfusion tray to prepare the organ for digestion. The system allows for an enzyme to be recirculated through the organ in a precisely controlled manner. The perfusion apparatus automatically regulates the pressure, flow, and temperature specified by the scientist. The perfused pancreas is cut into several pieces and transferred into the Ricordi chamber, along with stainless steel or silicone nitride marbles. A filter element is inserted, and the chamber is tightly sealed with a clamp ready for digestion. The Ricordi isolator is a self-contained, semi-automatic system for pancreas digestion. As the chamber oscillates, the marbles and a digestive enzyme mechanically and chemically disintegrate the pancreas, liberating the insulin-producing cells. This process is regulated by the Ricordi isolator by precisely controlling motion, temperature, and flow rate. Samples are taken from the system periodically to monitor the digestion development. Under magnification, islets appear bright red due to an islet-specific dye, while support tissue, or acinar, remains brown. As digestion progresses, red islets will break free of the acinar tissue. When enough free islets are observed, the digestion is stopped by diluting and cooling the enzyme. The Ricordi isolator switches to collection mode, pumping the dilution solution through the system and collecting the islet suspension in conicals. These conicals are then centrifuged to separate the digested tissue from the liquid solution. The supernatant is removed and the digested tissue is collected into a single conical. This process is repeated for each set of conicals. The digested tissue is then immediately submerged in ice while the purification process is prepared. The Biorep gradient mixer is used to create a fluid density gradient inside a special centrifuge machine. The islet preparation solution is fed through the gradient mixer to the centrifuge. The machine uses the density gradient and the centrifugal forces to separate the islet preparation into different bands, depending on their density. One of these bands will contain all the islets. The purified preparation is collected in a new set of conicals and centrifuged. The final product is transferred to a tissue culture flask containing a transplant media and incubated until final transplantation. At the time of transplant, the islets are transferred to the Ricordi infusion bag. Its funnel shape is specifically designed to ensure no islets are trapped in corners. This maximizes the number of islet cells transplanted, which is critical for the success of the procedure. The islets are then transplanted into the recipient's liver in a simple outpatient procedure. The patient is now ready for a new lifestyle.